Kraus KGU-413B 31-inch undermount single bowl black Onyx Granite kitchen sink. Kraus is well known in the kitchen appliances and fixtures category, but this 31-inch Onyx bowl is the best composite kitchen sink for the money. It comes with the hardware to install the faucet with a catch. The composite includes 80% natural granite. The internal dimensions come in at a 30.4 inch by 17 inch by 8.6 inch, so there is plenty of room to work. The Kraus KGU-4138 uses a thermal finishing process to reinforce its durability. The sink will hold up to heat, chipping, and scratching as well. For easy maintenance, stay away from steel wool scrubbers and stick with smooth, creamy cleaners. One of the best benefits of composite sinks is the natural sound capture ability. If you're looking for a hygienic, quiet sink, you should definitely consider this option. A matte black sink will fit into any kitchen design. The undermount installation for this sink will allow you to go with any faucet option you could choose.